Okay, hi everyone. This is the part 3 of building a MP of an application that I'm working on using REPLIT basically. So I'm just prompting and, using REPLIT. We will see again a little bit of this. REPLIT, you don't have like a free account like many other tools, but in my opinion, it's the best tool that you can find right now because with prompt, you can create frontend, you can create backend, and you can define database models, tables, and all that stuff, and even integrate all that together. So for me, it's amazing, and it's the best tool of prompting for creating a custom tool. And even it looks like really good for production. Like here we are seeing my usage. I paid the $25 and I already use basically the half. Most of it was using the agent checkpoint. So anytime you ask for checkpoints, you ask for code, it creates checkpoints. So and each checkpoint is 25 cents. It's not a lot, but you must take care of how much you ask and how good are your prompts. Yeah, you don't want to ask for little stuff. And then you have the assistant. I use 25 cents in Fire Assistant. I don't understand really good what it means, assistant. What is the difference between the agent? Maybe it's this edit and this create checkpoint, but I don't know. It's not really clear. Looks, yeah, I don't know. And then, okay, so I have into production this page. Basically, it has a front end with React. It has a backend with Flask and Python, and it has a DB, a PostgreSQL. So it's kind of working, and I don't know how much days I have it, like a week, maybe a little more. It took me $1.64 for the PostgreSQL compute. So not a lot, but anyway, it's nobody's using it, and I know that if people start eventually to use it, this cost will increment. But if people start to using it, and we have a way to charge those people, it's a good. It means that we are in a good spot, or we are in a good path. So yeah, let's keep improving the page. So I will go home. I will open a Comogen and let's keep creating this. Okay, so here we have a chat that we've been using before, but I will start a new one. New chat, here we are. I don't know if it's aware of the code. So let's say, hey, are you aware of my code and project? I don't want you to change any code or create any checkpoint. Just to know you see my code and what we've been working on. Okay, so when you ask questions that it doesn't change your code, it doesn't create a checkpoint, and basically they don't charge you the 25 cents. So that's good to know and to define. We've been also seeing that if you open a new tab, you can go to one of the last ones, progress. So with progress, we can put it here. Yes, I can see your complete code base for the Kumagen. It's an agricultural investment product on farmers with investors. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I have a lot of features to still make to the page. We will try to do some of them and keep it improving it. We have the page here. And I already show a little bit about using the farmer page, using the investor page. But if I am the owner of this platform, I want to be like kind of an administration where I can see stuff and things like that. So I want to be able to be an administration and to log in as an administration. Yes. So right now I've been able to log in as an investor and also as a farmer. That's working amazing. But now I want to be able to log in as an admin. How can we do that? So in a way that you log in and you can see more stuff like a dashboard with investors, with farmers, with the requested loans, and all that information. You know what I mean? Okay, I don't know if it's the best prompt, but looks, it's a pity that they don't have like this thing of improving the prompt that they have in when you start the page, because if you go to home, here you have the improved prompt. So maybe I can copy, but this like improved prompt is for to start something new. So let's see what it comes. The existing login system to oh, okay. It works nice. Uh, okay, I like it. What I will do is copying and pasting and leave both. Let's try to do this and see what comes out. Okay, I understand you want to enable the admin role functionality with a compressive dashboard. I will create a plan. You will add a list of view of all investment detail, loan request, platform activity overview. Okay, I like all the additional features, and because we know about the checkpoints, I will add user management controls. Yes, yes. Why not? Okay, let's accept all that stuff. So take a look. It creates the first checkpoint, but it's free because it didn't change any code. So that's great. Okay, looks like he has the task is clear, and he will start working on. Sorry about the darkness of my background, but I need to close the door. If I turn on the lights, it will kill me. And so yeah, I'm thinking of improving a little bit the lights of my office of my room for the next streamings and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Uh, uh, okay, so he already started working on. Here we are in the progress here, so he already put on our page. Can you try logging in with admin.commongen and add password and verify you can see the admin dashboard with user statistic and loan information? Sure thing, my friend. So I need to log out, log in. So it says that. So it says that we don't have that user. Let me go like to the DB, so we can open the DB here. We can see we have users. I mean, I think we're all as users, even the administrators. And take a look. It is here, the tool. So I'm not sure what's going on. Let's try again. So this we're okay. And then he says admin pass 1, 2, 3. What the fuck, bro? Let's say so. I see this message. But let's clarify to him that we see this in the DB. But I see the admin user in the DB. So I'm not sure what's the issue. Okay, so now these issues are the ones that start to being a painful because they take money, but we don't have any choice. Okay, sorry. Let's see what's happened. I see the issue. The admin user exists in the database, but the login is working. Let me check the login to fix this problem. Okay. Please visit out create admin to create admin user. This is strange. Out create admin. What this even mean? Let's refresh this. Okay, we have an admin 2. We have admin 2 now. What the fuck? Okay, so just to use.com and to use admin as one trooper. Okay, now it's working. Let's save it for now. So what we see as an admin, pending. Okay, so pending know your customer approvals. It appears the name as NA, so this is an issue. The role is farmer. Do we have full name? Okay, so we have like a couple of people like without a name. That's a pain in the ass. It's basically it's me everywhere. Just Bija, she create an account, so thank you. So yeah, we have like all this. Then we have recent loans with our recent loans. That looks great. So this is dashboard basically for an admin. Then we have, if we go to loans, what we have? We have the normal view of loans. If we go to dashboard, okay, so I want to review this, but this doesn't tell me anything. Because the idea is that as a farmer, as an investor, I send my QYC and they enter in a status mode until someone here approves it. And also for the loans, like take a look. The status of the loan is pending until someone, as me, will approve it. So let me just copy this. But this is nice. Total users 7, active loans 1, total volumes leave with points. I don't like that. Pending QIC 3. Look, all works fine. But the idea is that a user, farmer, or investor, they send the QIC, and it's that moment that they enter as pending approvals. Right now, the logic works like anyone without QYC, it's in pending approval. Do you understand my requirement? And also for loans, I see one loan as pending, as status pending. Those loans should be able to change his status from the admins. So I should be able to change that, you know? like see information about the loan and accept it or cancel it or request some change or more information. Okay, something like this. Let's hit enter and see what we'll do with this information. Okay, let's see. I understand your requirements. The KYC should only show users who have submitted the KYC information and are waiting for admin approval, not all users without KYC. Yes. Admin should be able to review and manage loan statuses from the admin dashboard. Yes. Terminate the admin dashboard to implement these features. Okay, my friend. Okay, he took 25 cents more, so we are already using 0.25. Can you check if the admin dashboard now shows only users who have submitted KYC, not all users without, and the ability to review and manage loan status? Okay. El dashboard. Yes, exactly. So, okay, this is really ugly. So now we don't have pending KYC, and we have recent loans. Approve, reject, review details. Let's accept it just to review detail. What it means? Okay, now it takes me to like a more beauty page, if you can call it as, to see more information about the loan. Oh, I like it. We can like eventually here just have the button of review details. I don't want the approve rejects, review details. Okay, so let's approve the loan just to check it out if it's working the logic. Yes, looks like it's working. I like it. Nice, good job for 25 cents. So I want to do one thing. I want to go and log in me as one of the farmers or investors that didn't send any KYC and see if this logic is working fine. If they send the KYC and they must wait for admin to approve it, you know? Now, like we did this logic of an admin approve it, then we can make like a custom function workflow where you check a lot of steps and you approve it. Why is that? Because we want to provide loans for farmers, and that could mean a lot of money, you know. Even 10 grants for me, it's like a lot of money. And if we fail some stuff there, we can get in trouble. So let's log out. Let's log in. And let's try one of the accounts that, okay, I think so. Oh, let me see here. So Francisco 2, yes, he completed all the information. So let's go with Francisco 1. Yes, and let me see if I remember the pass. Yes. Okay, so please complete your KYC. Yeah, we completed. Okay, enter full name, Francisco Baron Furey. Yes. Number 987654321. Physical address, True Street 321. Passport 123456789. Again, eventually this page will be much longer with requesting more information like real papers, the ability to attach an image or a PDF of your document. If you will be a farmer, we want to know if you really own that farm. So the ability to attach the, I don't know, the paper that you own that farm and stuff like that. But for now, let's do it this way. Okay, so this, how it was. So when I submit my QYC as a farmer or investor, it appears pop-up that says QYC send it and approve it. But it should say and pending in approval or some stuff like that, you know? Okay, let's go to the admin account to actually see if use the password. If it was approved directly, yeah. So take a look. It didn't change that part of the logic, so we need to change that part in the logic. And the KYC that I just submit, it didn't go to the pending KYC approvals admin dashboard. We need to fix that logic and workflow, please. Okay, so we still need to work on that, but it doesn't look like something really difficult. So I believe in one prompt he could fix it. Okay, let's see. Can you submit a code form as a user and verify you see? Okay, why not, my friend? So let's log out. Let's use an account that it doesn't have a. Oh, I need to refresh this. Hey, where is here? Francisco Baron. But yeah, okay. So let's use the third one, Francisco Free, and I will be out of users. So please work right now, because if not, we will have an issue. Okay, so I enter as a farmer or investor. I don't remember, as an investor. Okay, I need to complete my QYC. So let's use Fran, share Furey, phone number, physical address, your man street 123 passport ID 0000. Okay, submit. Chan. Okay, pending. Yes, but still disappear. Okay, so if that's an issue that we should work. If I now works just fine, but we have another issue. This pop-up still appears, and I can see. We will make a screenshot, and I can see in the menu the complete QIC option, which it shouldn't, because we are waiting in approval. Okay, so that's normal, or I don't know. Eventually, maybe when these agents they are still becoming more and more intelligent, maybe they detect these type of issues by his own, and they fix it all together and not just one part that you define. That being said, that's not the case right now. Okay, at least it appears here, but again, I will want to see like more information about it, because hey, we don't have nothing. I will like to see the page with all the information that they request. And yeah, let's see what's happening in the DB. So in the DB we have, where it is, this one. And where it should manage it in another loan payment users, partial payment, loan investment, geometry. Okay, I don't know where it managed like pending or active, all that stuff, because you have user. What this is? What is this stuff? We have user investment, loans, payment, farm. Doesn't look like, and we have here role created. Oh, here. So approve, fake. Okay, so it maybe making some logic like approve if approve fake and this complete, it should do this. Okay, so I will just approve. That's approved. And if we refresh here, approve. I don't know what should and what happens right now if you deny, like if you don't accept it because you have all this information, it should delete it or what? I don't know. But for now, looks like it's working just fine. Okay, so let's try to fix this. Let's see if it can fix that part. And I'm out of users to test it. So I should create a new user, maybe, yeah. Okay, let's see what's happened. Let's see. Okay, so I should create a new account. So let's log out. Login no. Register. Francisco Fure, and I don't know anymore. So I have the 1, 2, 3, 4. Francisco Fure. Photos, okay. I am a investor. Yeah, why not save? Okay, so I already log in. So I will took. I already registered, sorry, now I log in. Okay, so complete KYC, I will complete it. Yes, yes, yes. 001000. No, no, no. Whatever. Okay, submit. Here, Spain approval, you will be notified once. Okay, that's nice. We fixed that part here. But here still the fucking complete KYC. But what? What happened if I do something here fast? I don't know if we will replace the other one because we have already the front array. No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. And if I submit a new one, what will happen? Okay, error. Why? Because you already have one. Okay, we could eventually fix more this to, if you submit already, I don't want to see this. But for the time being, looks great, looks good. Okay, what time we have? Okay, let's try to do one more feature. I really love always the feature they propose. This one, I love it. But to be honest, I have an account as a farm, and I wasn't able to create my farms. So here it should appear like a boundary where you can like draw your farm. So let's ask for try to improve this. Okay, so I have the part to add a farm as a partner. And let me okay. But it should appear a map in the part of draw farm boundary, so the farmer can show us the farm and we save it into the DB. But that's not working. Can we fix it? And I want to also be able to receive another type of file as GeoJSON or whatever it's common in the industry. Okay, so if not even to select in a map, but maybe you have kind of a GeoJSON with your farm or something like that, and you should be able to do it that way too. So that's a good way to do it. Let's see. I understand you want to answer that. If we can make this work, we will consider like with success in this streaming that anybody see it. But yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock here, and tomorrow I will need to wake up really early. That's a pain in the ass. And now I'm hungry. Whatever. So it's like considering options, what that means. Determining next steps. So just because all the time that it takes, it looks like he makes a lot of reasoning, and it kills or burn a lot of tokens. So that made me like, okay, 25 cents, they are worth. Okay, but he tell me like, okay, let's see, my farms. Please, no. What the fuck? I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. But we can now upload a GeoJSON file. That's nice. I don't know. No, this part keeps not working. And I already asked you several times before, and you wasn't able to fix it. Can you point me to the file where this function is declared? Don't change any of the code, just show me. Okay, let's upload a GeoJSON file to see if it works in the DB. So if we come here, and how was the fucking name of this page to create GeoJSON, this one, GeoJSON.al. Okay, so here we can go like, okay, go to Argentina, Córdoba, someplace here, let's say, and we can like create a box. We create a box because it simplifies everything. And we save it. Take a look. We can save it as GeoJSON, topo JSON. I don't know what this means. CSV. That's nice. KML. This one I forgot, or a shapefile. Okay. Eventually, if we have like a platform with a lot of things, we want to accept any of these because you don't know in which type of um, file the user should have his information, or even what are the more common ones, you know. So now let's try to upload map.json, open, and let's see what happens. Oh, uh, farm test, farm test. Save. Chan, chan, chan. It looks like, okay, but no farms added, so that's bad. But let's see if it was saved into the DB. So farms, no rows. Okay. Fucking motherfucker. What the pain in the ass. Okay, so because here I put don't change any of the code, just show me, it didn't charge me the checkpoint that normally it does here, you know, 25 cents. How much we take today? $1.50. Okay, this issue, I don't know if it's a issue that the agent is not being able to do it, or it's an issue that Replit and his integration are not able to integrate geospatial data right now, because you know it's difficult to use geospatial data and all that, and they are working hard to integrations. Okay, so hey, I'm asking the agent to create a boundary with a map to select a farm for my application, and it keeps failing and failing to do it. But it's just what I told you. I will ask. I see you guys have Postgres SQL, but that integration works with your spatial data, like Postgres, how it was called, Postgres for geospatial, PostGIS, like PostGIS and stuff. Let's ask, let's see if these dudes, they come back with a response. We can also take a look here, we have docs. Uh, okay, whatever, doesn't say anything. But we can see the neon documentation. Uh, So if I search for this, it doesn't appear anything. So that could be the problem. And if that's the problem, it's already a pain in the ass in our MVP. At least we should think in other way to work it. And this I can close. Let's say like, hey, when I add GeoJSON here, it doesn't happen anything. I don't see the info getting saved into the database farm, the table farm, and also I don't see it in the dashboard. Okay, let's see if he can fix this at least. With this, at least we are happy for now in a way. Okay. What he did? Okay, take a look. This chat is getting too long to improve the agent performance. Start a new chat. Okay, we will not do more than this. So, okay, I will try my files, add new file, GeoJSON, not GeoJSON. Oh, fuck this. Nothing happened. Okay, yeah, I think that should be a problem there. Geography columns. What this mean? Not sure. Not sure. Take a look here. It's I don't know what this DB is. This table spatial, whatever. But here, what's this information? This is like raw information, but this is geospatial information. Degree. I don't know from where this data comes. It's not exactly as your JSON or what you will say lat and longs, different points of lat and longs, but it's not also too far. So that's making me believe that we can make it. But if the agent is not able to do it, that made me think also. Okay, we couldn't fix this. Let's leave it as it is. And yeah, then I will try to fix it in our next video. Hey, thanks for watching.